All right. How can I stay motivated and persistent when facing challenges?
Yeah, so challenges are part of the dance, Valencia. We all have challenges. Some are worse than others, and perspective is part of it, right? Again, whatever your challenges are, it's unlikely that it's pancreatic cancer or you're being sold into slavery as some freaking camel jockey, right, in the Middle East. So we want to have perspective. Life is difficult. It just is. It's a super challenge on every level. Even if you were born rich, it's still hard. Right? It's not easy. I mean, there's some billionaire heiresses on the freaking tennis circuit, and they're still working their tails off to try to be top players in the world,
Yeah.
and they're children of billionaires. And then there's other kids on the tennis circuit. They grew up with Diego Schwartzman is retiring from Argentina. He's 32 years old. He just lost in the U.S. Open first round, and he grew up poor. You know what I mean, and figured it out. So. The challenges don't end. It's really a question of your mindset, how driven you are, how focused you are, how determined you are, and the kind of mentorship you have. The better the mentors, the further you'll go, especially if you know how to honor the mentors.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.